Hello guys, this is a GoPro Hero 12 Black unboxing, and today we're gonna be going over the stuff that you get on the GoPro Hero 12. So it comes in this like nice and compact case, and you could basically take it anywhere. So this is what you see when you open the box. You see basically instructions on how to connect the headband and the stick that you will later see, and promoting. And yeah. So this is the special edition. So it comes with the stick and the headband. These are just some functions, which is basically waterproof up to 33 feet. There is voice control. Hyperview is also there. Time warp is also there. Yeah, you could basically mod this to any way that you want to. And slow-mo is also up to 8 times the speed. So you get, it looks like a headband to connect your GoPro, a stick that you could just hold. Here's the connector for both of them. We have 2 batteries. This is like a one-use pad that you could put your GoPro onto. This, I think, yeah, this is the charging cable, and these 2 bolts, I'm pretty sure, just connect the GoPro headband or stick together. So this is the GoPro itself. It has a really clean matte black design with a few colorful new specs. It says GoPro written right there. Ooh, that was satisfying. Your camera must be updated before use. And that is the main screen of the GoPro. This is the front screen. So yeah, this is the front screen. Here's the main camera and the on screen. Here's the mode selector. This is the record / photo. Basically whenever you want to do something with the camera, you press that button. And then yeah. So in the future for our episodes, we are definitely going to be using the GoPro Hero 12 Black. So yeah, hope you still hang around to watch our future episodes and videos. We are going to be using SanDisk Extreme Plus 256 gigabyte memory chip, and it basically could hold 4K footage. Yeah, it's relatively a good brand. Yeah. This can also have up to 8 hours of footage, which is kind of a lot for our videos. So this is basically the end of this unboxing. In the near future, we will most definitely use GoPro. And hope you enjoyed this video, and hope you stick around for the future ones. And yeah, that's basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you stick around for more. In the near future, we will most definitely use this GoPro Hero 12 Black. And yeah, hope you like and subscribe, and bye.